I've made a
Down. Put it down.
junk food stall.
Okay.
Okay, let's get to explaining this. So this is the fan where it cools all the ice cream, and this is some hot cocoa and some ice cream cones. So if I want an ice cream, I take this off and this to get an ice cream. That's the second layer of flavors. Okay, I'll put blueberry in. And then if I want to, I can add another flavor in there. The other what we have here is a cake stall. So this one is some icing. Here I don't know what flavor, but it looks quite yummy. And some lime, and then the sponge, the cake sponge. Then the caramel and the cake sponge, and then the raspberries is one of my favorite flavors because it has lots of flavors. And then we have caramel and dark chocolate and chocolate, and then we have buttercream